Hey guys, it's Jim Chandler with Rock Your Best Vocals. I am so excited to do this. This is one of my all-time favorite singers. It's Chris Cornell. If you want to sing like Chris Cornell, this one's for you. Okay, so Chris Cornell has an unmistakable style. He has got such power and such grit. You can't get better rock than that. I mean, that is like all time. He's got the whole thing. So let's start off with a couple of lines from, say, Spoonman. Save me! Save me! So the way you have to get that sound with Chris Cornell, a lot of compression. And when you have that compression, you also have to let out just a little bit of air from the right place to get that. Oh! Save me! Yeah! He's got that growl as well that comes in. And the way you do that is just control the air supply coming out. Let's take another song, Outshined, okay? Well, I got a feeling so down. I got off being so loud. I kept the movie roll. So when you start off a line, I kept the movie rolling. I'm just letting out a little bit of air. I kept the movie rolling. But the story is getting out now. Oh, yeah. Oh. So try that with me right now. We're just going to take a big deep breath air in and just, you let it outshined. You hear the difference, and there's not that much difference in volume. Outshined. Out. You let just a little bit of air out, okay? So now you know who gets mystified. Take a big deep breath in. Show me the power, child. I'd like to say that I'm down on my knees today. Today. Yeah, gives me. So you hear that at the beginning. Yeah, gives me the butterflies. Yeah, gives me the butterflies. Gives me away. Gives me away. So let's do that line. Gives me away. So you hear the air coming out the end. Gives me away. That I'm down on my knees today. Yeah, gives me the butterflies. Gives me away. And when you do these, try to just do the line really slow. So you're just letting out just a little bit of the air just to get that. And when you're letting it out, it's just from up here, just above the larynx. Let's take Spoonman. Okay, so a lot of that's clean. Spoonman, come together with your hand. Save me. I'm together with your plan. Save me. Save. Save me. Save me, yeah! So probably the most difficult line, one of the most difficult lines in Spoonman is when he goes up with the hands. With your hand! So you got to get a lot of air in, and don't let a lot of air out. Never let a lot of air out. Just enough air out to get that little bit of grit. I'm going to do it kind of slowly and quieter. Can you hear that? Woo! When you let too much air out, it makes you cough. If you're coughing when you're doing this, that's a sure sign you're letting too much air out. And really, you have to control that. I've heard a lot of people when they're like, so when they do that, okay, if it's warbling all over like that and you're cracking, you're kind of, then you're not controlling your outflow of air enough, okay? I've heard a lot of people do that. You can hear people trying to do Chris Cornell. They're just not controlling the breath out. You have to take a big deep breath air in so you have enough air control, the breath control is all in the exhalation of your breath. It has to be smooth to get that. It's just enough air to, and the outshined as well. So let's take a verse from Black Hole Sun. In my shoes, walking sleep, in my youth I pray to keep. When I hit that, in my youth I pray, it's just I'm squeezing my abdomen to make that come out. Like you're kind of like you're doing a sit-up, okay? In my youth I pray to, right then, in my youth I pray to keep. In my youth I pray to keep. Heaven send hell away, no one sings like you anymore. Black hole sun, won't you come? Wash away the rain. Black hole sun, won't you come? Won't you come? Black hole sun, black hole sun. You want to really push there with your abdomen, okay? Like you're doing a sit-up. Black hole sun, black hole sun. You can also let a little bit more air out. Black hole sun, black hole sun. You hear where I'm placing that? I'm kind of either just toying around with the amount of air. Sun, just air. Sun. What I'm doing is kind of taking that and letting the top of the larynx just a little bit loose. Sun. And I'm at the same time my abdomen is pressing. Sun. Just the tight right up here at the top. I'm just squeezing it off just a little bit to get that compression at the same time. Pushing with my abdomen, just compressing, okay, with the abdomen, with my stomach muscles, like I'm doing a sit-up. Black hole sun, black hole sun. Okay, now let's take Rusty Cage as well. Another one of my favorite songs. Oh, you wire me awake and hit me with the hand of broken nails. But I'm on a break. I'm gonna break my rusty cage and run. So hold your breath like you're going underwater. I always say this, but that's really to get your larynx like keyed up and nice relaxed position, okay? So almost like you're jumping underwater. If you have to go like this, like that. I'm on a break. I'm gonna break my... So what you're doing, that little warble that you hear, I'm gonna break my... It's just coming from the very top of my larynx. My... Right there is where I feel that little warble's coming from. Not down in here. If you feel it down in here, you're probably gonna cough. So if you guys are doing that right now, and you're going, I'm on a break. It's going to make you cough. It's where that's damaging. That's your vocal cords slamming together. So what you need to do is you need to figure out how to get that growl up in here. I'm going to break my rusty cage and run. Get that warble just right up in the top there. So try it along with me. So take a big deep breath in like you're going underwater. I'm gonna break that. I'm gonna break. I'm gonna break my... The way I'm doing that is I'm just just like I'm doing sit-ups. You just feel your whole abdomen and like even in your back muscles as well would just be compressing. I'm gonna break my rusty cage and run. Okay? Anyway, so there you have it. There's a few tips to help you sing a little bit more like Chris Cornell. I hope this helped. And if it did, please hit like and subscribe and comment down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can see when the next one comes out. Until then, we'll see you guys. Remember, Rock your best vocals where your best keeps getting better. I hope they help you the same way they help me. And I don't know what I'm saying. It's blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah.